Hey, did you know you can watch my videos in any languages? Like Russian, Arabic, Hebrew, Indian languages, and many other languages on the list. Go ahead and try it. Discord is giving away 1,400 orbs. Just go to your quest section and play where wins meet for 15 minutes. If you don't have the game, just go to Get Game option. Here you will find the full overview of the game. Scroll down, there's an option called Play Game. I suppose the game is allowed only on PC, on Windows PC, but you have to have Steam. The second game is from Marvel Rivals. No need for Steam here. You can play on these platforms like Steam, PS5, PS4, Windows, Xbox, and Epic stores. But just make sure you have Discord app on your PC. I am not talking about the browser version. I'm on about the actual Discord PC app. After downloading it, enable the quest, keep your Discord PC app on in background, and play the game. Or you can simply keep the game on in background for 15 minutes, and that should do it too. Anyway, since not everybody will do this quest. But don't worry, there are 4 quests that you can still do. They are giving out 2,800 orbs in total. One of them, the Running Man quest, requires VPN. I made a video on that already. Now remember, here's the reason why I add free Nitro in my thumbnail. You should be having enough orbs to get a 3-day Nitro from the shop. Just make sure to not purchase more than one at the same time, because Discord has explicitly stated that the Nitro won't stack. If you want Orbs link, just join my Discord server. Go to Help Desk channel. This channel is under Main Chat channel. You can ask the bot where you can find the Orbs link in this server. She will guide you properly, as I've trained her. If you want an AI chatbot helper too, just watch this video. Last but not least, you can join my Discord server if you want decors and layouts for your Discord server. You can see we got so many decor channels like banners, PNG, and the list goes on. Come here and check it out for yourself. And anyway, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button because it's completely free.